Hello, and welcome back to Hidden Watches. Today we're exploring 10 of the best Citizen EcoDrive watches that combine cutting-edge technology with timeless design. Powered by light and built to last, these watches never need a battery change, making them as reliable as they are innovative. Whether you're after a rugged sports model or a sleek dress piece, these EcoDrive timepieces deliver precision, style, and sustainability. Let's get started. Number 7, Citizen EcoDrive at 412752A Gray Watch is a refined blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless elegance, designed for those who demand performance without compromising on style. Housed in a durable stainless steel case with a bold gray dial, this watch features atomic timekeeping for the ultimate precision, synchronizing automatically with radio signals across 5 time zones. Its chronograph functionality, perpetual calendar, and 1 to 20-second stopwatch make it as versatile as it is sophisticated. The sapphire crystal ensures exceptional scratch resistance, while luminous hands and markers provide excellent readability in any light. Powered by Citizen's EcoDrive technology, it harnesses energy from any light source, eliminating the need for battery changes. Completing the look, the stainless steel bracelet adds both durability and sleek appeal. Whether for professional wear or everyday use, this watch stands out with confidence and reliability. Available at an approximate price of $650, the AT412752H offers luxury performance at remarkable value. Number 6, Citizen CC 7000 Durwell Satellite Wave F900 Blue Dial Strap Watch is an advanced masterpiece of horology, blending futuristic technology with refined design. Equipped with GPS satellite timekeeping, it delivers precise time anywhere in the world with lightning-fast signal reception. The striking blue dial showcases dual-time functionality, chronograph features, perpetual calendar, and world time across 40 time zones, making it the ultimate travel companion. Its lightweight titanium case, paired with a comfortable blue polyurethane strap, ensures durability and comfort even during long wear. The anti-reflective sapphire crystal enhances clarity, while luminous accents allow easy readability in low light. Powered by Citizen's EcoDrive technology, this watch runs continuously on any light source, freeing you from battery replacements. A perfect fusion of innovation, style, and functionality, the Satellite Wave F900 reflects bold sophistication and unmatched performance. Available at an approximate price of $2,000, it's a premium timepiece for modern explorers. Number 5. Citizen CC 107602E Satellite Wave Air EcoDrive Watch is a striking fusion of futuristic technology and bold design, built for those who seek precision and innovation. Its black dial, accented with luminous markers and sleek detailing, is framed by a durable stainless steel case with a sporty black polyurethane strap. Featuring satellite GPS timekeeping, this watch delivers accurate time anywhere on Earth, no matter where your adventures take you. The perpetual calendar, world time in 40 time zones, and daylight savings adjustment make it a true traveler's essential. Protected by an anti-reflective sapphire crystal, the dial remains crisp and clear in all conditions. Powered by Citizen's legendary EcoDrive technology, it never needs a battery change running solely on light. With 200-meter water resistance, it's as tough as it is stylish. Available at an approximate price of $1,650, the Satellite Wave Air combines cutting-edge performance with eye-catching sophistication. Number 4, Citizen BN 702017E ProMaster EcoDrive Watch is a professional-grade dive watch engineered for extreme underwater adventures. Featuring an ultra-durable super titanium case with Duratect coating, this timepiece is lightweight, yet built to withstand the harshest conditions. Its bold black dial, accented with luminous hands and markers, ensures legibility even in the darkest depths, while the unidirectional rotating bezel adds precision for divers. With an impressive water resistance of 1,000 meters and a helium release valve, it is ISO compliant for saturation diving, making it one of the toughest watches in the ProMaster collection. The polyurethane strap provides both comfort and security during demanding dives. Powered by Citizen's EcoDrive technology, it harnesses any light source to keep running indefinitely, no battery changes required. Combining rugged durability, advanced functionality, and a sleek design, the BN702017E is the ultimate tool watch. Available at an approximate price of $2,100, it redefines professional dive performance. Number 3, Citizen Satellite Wave World Time GPS Men's Quartz Watch is a masterclass in precision and global connectivity designed for modern travelers and professionals. Its sleek stainless steel case and bold black dial with luminous accents deliver both durability and style, while the GPS satellite timekeeping system ensures unparalleled accuracy anywhere in the world. With world time across 27 cities, perpetual calendar, and daylight savings adjustment, it offers effortless convenience for those on the move. The sapphire crystal provides superior scratch resistance, while water resistance up to 100 meters makes it ready for everyday adventures. Powered by Citizen's EcoDrive technology, it draws energy from any light source and never needs a battery replacement, ensuring reliable performance at all times. Blending advanced functionality with timeless design, the Satellite Wave World Time GPS is the ultimate travel companion. Available at an approximate price of $150, it redefines smart sophistication in luxury timekeeping. Number 2. Citizen ProMaster Tsuno Chronograph Watch is a bold reimagining of Citizen's iconic 1973 bullhead chronograph, blending vintage inspiration with modern performance. Its unique case design places the crown and pushers at the top, delivering both distinctive style and functional ease. The striking black dial features multiple subdials, a tachymeter scale, and luminous markers, offering exceptional readability and precision. Powered by Citizen's EcoDrive technology, it runs on any light source and never requires a battery replacement, ensuring uninterrupted reliability. Additional features include a 1/5-second chronograph that measures up to 12 hours, alarm function, and a power reserve indicator, making it a versatile tool for everyday wear or professional use. With a robust stainless steel case, sapphire crystal, and water resistance up to 200 meters, it is as durable as it is stylish. Available at an approximate price of $895, the ProMaster Tsuno delivers heritage design with cutting-edge innovation. Number 1. Citizen Armor CA7058-55E Watch is a modern expression of bold design and advanced technology, crafted for those who value strength and style. Its sleek stainless steel case features a protective integrated crown guard, giving it a futuristic edge while ensuring durability. The black dial with silver accents highlights its chronograph subdials, date display, and luminous hands, delivering both functionality and striking appeal. Powered by Citizen's reliable EcoDrive technology, it runs on any light source and never needs a battery replacement, making it both eco-friendly and hassle-free. The stainless steel bracelet complements its rugged build, while the sapphire crystal provides superior scratch resistance for everyday wear. With water resistance up to 100 meters, the armor is built to handle both work and play with confidence. Combining durability, precision, and distinctive design, this timepiece is perfect for modern professionals. Available at an approximate price of $525, it offers premium style at excellent value.